Hello, my dear students. I again welcome to your science class. Today, we are going to study in this video different breathing organs of the organisms. Till now, we have studied about respiratory system of human beings. Now, we will study respiratory system of different animals living in different habitat. Not all animals have lungs like humans do. They have different organs and mechanism of breathing. Here are some examples. Humans breathe through lungs, but different animals living in different habitat have different organs for breathing. Now let's get started. First one is skin. Animals such as earthworm and leech exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with the air through the moist and the slimy surface of their skin. So, earthworms and leech, they breathe through their skin. Air holes or spiracles. Insects such as cockroach and grasshopper, they have tiny holes which are known as spiracles on both sides of their body. The spiracles open into a network of thin air tubes called trachea. Oxygen-rich air enters through spiracles and reaches different parts of the insect's body through the tracheal tube. Carbon dioxide diffuses from the tissues into the trachea and is then passed out of the body through the spiracles. Here in the figure you can see there are spiracles, okay, and which is connected to trachea, and it also has air sacs. Now what happens? The spiracles open into a network of thin air tubes called trachea, and insects, they do not have lungs. Insects do not have lungs and they breathe slowly, okay, and during respiration ऑक्सीजन रिच एयर एंटर्स थ्रू स्पारिकल्स. जो ऑक्सीजन रिच एयर होती है वो कहाँ से एंटर करती है? थ्रू स्पारिकल्स, एंड इट रीचेस सेल्स पासिंग थ्रू ट्रैकिया. इस ट्रैकिया से पास होती हुई डिफरेंट बॉडी के सेल्स तक जाती है. एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड डिफ्यूजेस फ्रॉम द टिश्यूज इनटू द ट्रैकिया एंड इज देन पास कहाँ से होती है वो? थ्रू द बॉडी, out through the body through the spiracles. Next is gills. Aquatic animals such as fish that live in water. What are aquatic animals? The animals which live in water. What happens? They take in oxygen which is dissolved in water. जो water के अंदर dissolved होती है, ये वो oxygen वहाँ से लेते हैं using their special organs called gills. And gills जो होते हैं, they are found on either side of their mouth. Mouth के either sides पे होते हैं and they are covered by a flap, and they are well supplied with blood capillaries. Fish take in water through its mouth and forces it out through the gills. As water passes out gills, dissolved oxygen is absorbed into the blood and carbon dioxide in the blood diffuses into the water. When fish take in water which is also having oxygen is forced through to pass through the gills, and their ऑक्सीजन एब्जॉर्ब्ड हो जाता है इनटू द ब्लड और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड डिफ्यूज हो जाता है इनटू द वाटर, एंड वाटर कम्स आउट विद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. नेक्स्ट इज लंग्स. एम्फीबियंस सच एज फ्रॉग्स, सैलमेंडर use lungs for respiration. Now what happens? Amphibians, they live in water as well as in the land, on the land, okay, and they use their moist skin to respire when in water. Now tadpoles, like young frogs, they breathe through gills as they live only in water. Tadpoles जो हैं, young ones of frog, they breathe only through their gills, and all other reptiles, birds, mammals, they breathe using lungs. Although whales and dolphins live in water, so they also breathe through their lungs. They come up to the surface of water and breathe through a blowhole located on top of their head. उनके हेड के टॉप पे दे हैव अ ब्लो होल, वहाँ से दे come on the surface of the water and they breathe through it. And there is one important thing, exception. The lungfish is a fish that has lungs for breathing. Lungfish is a fish जिसके पास lungs होते हैं for breathing in addition to small gills. Hence the fish can survive in water bodies, this type of fish, okay. And the fish rises to the water surface to take